Hello guys, welcome to my course. Today I'm going to show you how to develop a simple website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this course, this will be a series of videos. I'll show you step by step and try to explain every line of code. But before we get started, I would like to introduce you to my other courses, which is Ethical Hacking, Java Programming and Python. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump into our today's course. So as you can see, I have this folder here which only have one peak. We are going to use it as time goes by. So I have Notepad here, which most PC comes with. So this is what we are going to use in this course, and this is actually what you can actually develop a website using Notepad or WordPad. But as time goes by, we'll use other extensions depending on what you like. Like for example, my favorite is Visual Studio Code, but others use Sublime Text, and talk about those as time goes by. But for now, I want us to develop a simple website with only Notepad, and we'll use other extension as we move along. So to develop a website, actually a HTML website, you use tags. Tags, this is what we use in HTML. They actually help us structure our website. Like for example, we have this tag HTML. In HTML, you have to open a tag. If you open a tag, you have to close it unless it is a self-closing tag. So this is how you open a tag, and this is how you close a tag. Let me give space here so that you can see clearly. This is how you open tag. This is how you close, actually, sorry. And this is how you open it, and this is how you close it. So inside here, you can write your content. Now let's save. So saving it in our web. It's index.html. Now the important part here is the .html. This is the .html extension. That's the important part. You can write whatever name you want here. For example, you can write main or whatever name you want depending on you, but this is what makes it an HTML page. So keep in mind you write the .html. So I'll write main here. Alright, sorry, index.html. You don't have to write index or main, you can write whatever name, but the important part again is the .html. So let's save. Okay, now you can see the type of it is a Microsoft Edge HTML document. So if we open it, you only see content. The HTML tags, they are not appearing in our web browser. Like I said, they help us structure the web browser. They don't appear in our web page. So I'll remove this one. Another tag in HTML is the h1, h2 up to h6, but content, to save time, I'll use only 3. Sorry, remember I opened it and then this is how you close it. Now you have content inside. I'll use h3, content, h3, and then sorry, let's close this one, h3, h6, content again. So like I said, this one they start from 1 all to 6, but to try to save time I used these 3. Hopefully you will see the difference between them. So let's save and refresh. Okay, so this one is bigger than this one and this one is bigger than this one. That's the difference between h1 to h6. So as you move from 1 to 6 also the size decreases. as you can see. So I will remove this one and I will write paragraph. So this is a paragraph tag. Remember we said we open and close. P. So paste some paragraph here. Okay, let's give some space, I think here. Let's save and refresh. As you can see, this paragraph is not the same as this one. Here we have 1, 2, 3 lines, and here we have only 2 lines. Like I said, in HTML we use text to structure our HTML to structure our document. So as you can see here, there is no text apart from the paragraph text. So to give a space, for example here, you have to use this tag, which is br tag. So if we save and refresh, now we have a space there. Okay, let's actually remove this br and put it maybe here, br. Let's save. Hopefully you see the difference now. This is moving from this side and that side, as you can see. So I'll use another br maybe here. Okay, I think that's fine. Another tag is if you want to put a straight horizontal line, you have to use hr. Let's save this one. So this hr will give us a straight horizontal line, as you can see. Another cool thing is inserting an image, which is we use this line of code. Inside here we write the name of the image, which is pig. Now let's check the extension. If you can see, the type is JPEG, so that's what you're going to write. It's pig dot j sorry JPEG. Let's close it like this. Can I see we have image? Okay, for now I'm not going to focus on the styling of this. Like, to style a web page, actually we use CSS, but in this course, or not in this course actually, for this one I'm not going to focus on the CSS. I'll use CSS as we move along, but now I just want you to get the basics of HTML. But I do want to actually decrease the size to maybe 350, 340. That's fine. Okay, I think that is fine. And also another thing is list. So we have ordered list and non-ordered list. So I'll start with ordered list. So remember we said we open and close. The OL stands for ordered list. So we have LI. Okay, let's actually write the heading here. I'll use H3 and say my courses. Remember we open and we close the tag. So inside LI, I've opened LI and let's write Python LI. After Python, I'll write LI again and Java. close this li, and then I'll use the other course is ethical lighting. Okay, let's use capital letters here. Okay, let us save and refresh. As you can see, we have numbers from 1 to 3. This is an ordered list. So if you put U here, this is a non-ordered list, so there won't be any numbers. If we refresh, as you can see, we have dots here. Another thing is inserting a pattern. So we use pattern, and let's say next. Sorry, pattern. Now we have a pattern here. Like I said, I'm not going to focus on structuring this pattern and this web page for now. I'll do that in my next videos. For now, I just want you to know the basics of HTML. Another thing in HTML is inserting a link, which will take you from one page to another page. So to do that, we use a href equals to, and then here put the URL of your page or your website, or maybe if you want people to subscribe to your channel, you can write a paragraph using this URL and then add a click here, which will take them to your course or whatever. But I'll show you this. Like I said, I'm not good in explaining, but I'm trying by all means to break this down so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So for example, I'll use click here. I'll explain it again, but I just want to show you. Let's refresh. Okay, now we have a click here. Click here. You can see below it you have the file name, which is the direction of this. So if you click here, it will take you from this, because we don't have, we did not put any direction. That's why this is happening. Okay, let's actually give a space here. Said we are going to use BR. Okay, I think that's fine. Now, like I said, you can put the paragraph here, P, and then please follow me on Facebook by, and then clicking here. Let's remove this here and put it here, here, and then close the paragraph tag. Let's put some space here. Yeah, I think that's fine. Hopefully. Okay, let's remove these BRs here so that you won't be confused. So from here, you have a paragraph tag, a paragraph which is please follow me on Facebook by, and then you have a URL here, clicking here. So if we save click, so you can click here, and then this one will take you to your Facebook page. So to make this, or to give sense into this, I'll create another page so that if you click here, it will take us to next page. Okay, so I'm going to say write a paragraph. Let's write H3, H4, H2. Yeah, I think that's right. This is another page. Let's save site here. Let's save it as next.html. Okay. So inside here, instead of this, let's write next.html. Let's refresh and click here. This is another page. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want people to subscribe to your channel, you want to take people from your website to your YouTube channel, you can go to your YouTube and click this is the link of your channel, copy it and paste it here. Sorry. Okay. Paste it here like this. So if you click here, it takes us again to this page because we're using the same page. I think that's it for today. Okay, before we close, let's actually give action to this. Let's open a new and save. Okay, let's see. You click the next. And let's have a back button. Let's save it as back.html. So in our button here, you can use the ahref equals to back.html. Let's close it and close the a tag. So let's click next. So let's refresh first and click next. We clicked next. So if we click back, we did not put action here. Let's close first. Sorry. A href. So we have a href HTML. So let's save. Let's click here. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. I'll explain and move the content, the heading to the center, and do all the stylings with HTML. Thank you for now. I'll see you in the next videos. Please subscribe and search for my other courses. Goodbye.